it's your girl Black Lunatic and I am here with a video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to dance to amapiano. You know amapiano is the in thing, right? And if you cannot dance to amapiano, you are either A, sick to mama eyes, or B, ugati kula box. One of the two. So this December, we are making sure to wear I'll tune your eyes and I'll got the kula box. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna teach you 3 easy dance moves. The first move is the pouncing cat. Okay, it's the, you know how to do that, right? Okay, so the first step to the pouncing cat is what I call heel to toe. Okay, like it is important, it has to do with your legs. Like it's heel to toe. Like heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. You get it? Like heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And the second step is bounce. While you are doing the whole heel to toe, bounce. Add your whole body, bounce. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Get it? Step 1 is heel to toe. Step 2 is to bounce. Bounce, bounce. And the third step is include your hands. Okay? Okay, so let's do everything. Heel to toe, bounce, include your hands, okay? So let's go. Okay, so the tip I have for you guys is while you are doing these dance moves, add yourself. Put you there. Like I've got attitude, so when I'm dancing, I'm gonna show some attitude. So others, they're like, we do this a lot. Like your facial expression, like be within the dance. Again. Okay, so let's go. It's heel to toe, bouncing, and your hands. Okay, and the fun thing about this is the whole heel to toe, you can incorporate it everywhere. You're gonna see when we do our second move, which is Uber. Yes, you know how to do that, right? See, I see you then. So what we're gonna do is the whole heel to toe, but now we're gonna focus on our hands. So let me show you what you're gonna do with your hands. First, you're gonna take it, then you're gonna cut it, crush, because whatever we are putting in our nose must be fine, okay? And then we're gonna take it up to your nose. There are different ways to get it to your nose. I'm sure you guys see all the time. So you take, you cut, crush, and take it to your nose. However you want to take it to your nose. Others don't even take it like that. They just don't waste time, okay? So while you're doing that, you move your shoulders. So it's take, cut, crush, take it to your nose. Okay? So while, sorry, back to the first move. The first move being the pouncing cat, heel to toe, right? So incorporate Uba. Let me show you. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, take, crush, you see, when I take it to my nose, I like to stop. Like, you must see that it is going to my nose, you know? So we take, cut, crush, take it to your nose. Okay, from there on, we're in detail, you know? We're getting rid of the evidence. Like, nobody wants to know, you know what you mean? So it's take, cut, crush, get it to your nose, and get rid of the evidence. Okay, so let's do the whole thing as a whole, like everything. So it's heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, take, cut, crush, and get it to your nose. Okay, so already those are 2 dance moves. 2, just like that. Is it not easy? Like, hello, hi. Okay, so the third move is my personal favorite. Okay, I call it the elbow dance. I don't know what they call it. Like, I haven't heard anybody that literally had a name for it. So for me, it's the elbow dance. So what we do here, let me show you the whole move, you know. So it's 1, come back, 2, okay? So what you do is you take your strong foot forward, that's the first step. Lean your whole body to the front. When you lean your whole body to the front, stand on your tippy toe. Put your whole weight on your toe. Okay, so let's see. Strong foot forward, lean, tiptoe. Okay, so the third one is you, I don't know what to call that, but you do that. Okay, you literally just, we don't want to see that you're flexible, so don't go on some no, because you ruin it. I've seen a lot of people do that. Like they're on some no. You just up, down. See, so this is it. Up, down. So when you go up, your elbow goes back. When you come down, your elbow goes forward. That is literally it. Let's combine the steps. So that is it. So what you do with this leg is up to you. You can leave it down or you could like bring it up. In the heat of the moment, you're gonna see what you're gonna have to do, okay? So it's 1, then you come back 2, you know? So let's recap. Strong foot forward, lean forward on your tippy toe, up, down. Remember that, remember the movement, okay? So let me show you the final products. Like you can incorporate these 3 moves anyhow you want, like anyhow. So I am going to dance for you and I'm going to include all 3 of the moves. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, share it to your friends too.